Hi, this is Janet, and today I'm going to do a quick bookmark. We just went to the library for summer book reading, and I thought it'd be fun to do a bookmark using Rinea Foil. So I'm going to show you the different parts I'm going to use. And I'm going to use this floral die for embossing. Let me get that open. This is going to emboss the foil. I'm going to use this as the tag at the top. And I have this die from Simon Says Stamps that I'm going to use. This is I think they call it a sentiment set, but I'm going to use it to make a bookmark. I'm going to use the two largest pieces. I'll figure out how to get this bag open. And then I'm going to work with this jade green and gold foil from Rinea. And then I have a piece of cardstock that is green on both sides. So this is going to be the base, and then we're going to apply the foil on top of that. So to start, we're going to take our foil and emboss it. And I'm going to do that with a Cricut Kettlebug. I apologize for my voice. I'm losing my voice and it sounds a little bit froggy. My daughter said I sounded like a witch the other day. So we've got our foil, and I am just going to cut it down so that it will work through the machine. I'm just going to take two pieces here. Alright, then I'll bring in my Kettlebug. And I know you can't see the whole thing, but you get the idea that we're running it through the Kettlebug. Okay. So we're going to put the foil in. And I'm really not sure which way I want to use it. If I want to use it as green or if I want to use it as gold. So I'll just do one up and one down and see how it turns out. Okay, so I'm looking to see where the flowers are and where it's going to get placed on the foil so I get some nice shapes. Alright, I think that'll do it for us. Alright, I'm just going to leave my Kettlebug here because you can see that we have embossed. And now we're going to cut. I'm using the smaller of the dies and just deciding where I want to place it. I'm making my sandwich. To show you, that is one cut, and then we want one for the other side. Do the same shape, and I'm going to do it in gold. Now I'm going back and forth with the Cuttlebug. Only reason for that is to be able to show you what I'm doing, since I'm working in a tight little space here. And then the next step we're going to do here is to cut out the cardstock that we need. And I'm just looking to see how much cardstock we need. Here's the cardstock. I'm going to give it a cut with scissors. Off camera, sorry. But you can hear me cutting. And we're going to go and make a sandwich again. This time using the larger die. And I'm going to take out the extra little pieces that are in here. And I'm just quickly nipping at them with a wire cutter because it's easier than bending them off. So here's the pieces I removed that actually will cut at the end if I want. So there's going to be the size of the bookmark. Alright, and just going to send that through. Alright, so we have our pieces. Let me just straighten up here for a second and get things out of the way. Alright, so the parts we have: gold, green, and then the two-sided cardstock. I'm going to do green on this side, and you can see that the foil's a little too long, so I'm going to need to cut that off with scissors. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball how much I need to cut off here, and hope to goodness my eyes make it straight. Alright. And then the gold side. Cut off on the other end. I had a little tear. Alright, so that's what it's going to look like. So then all we have to do is apply some adhesive. I'm going to use the best glue ever from Scrap Perfect. And I'm just going to lightly go around the edges. We don't need a lot of glue. And we might just give a little bit down the center. Okay, so that's for the one side. And we'll just place it. I really like how the gold works with this kind of yellow-green paper. Whoops. Pushed a little too hard and it pushed right off the paper. So I'll reposition that. And then we'll flip it over for the other side. It's a tacky glue, so it's going to dry rather quick. I am using a no-clog cap, also from Scrap Perfect, on the bottle, which gives me a small, you can see, gives me a small little application, and then the cap has this needle that actually fits into the cap when you're storing it, and that helps with the no clog aspect. So now I'm going to place this onto my paper bookmark. Alright, now just to embellish a little bit, We're going to add some green. Actually, I have this nice little ribbon here on a package over here, and I really like how this is looking with it. So I think I might just combine these two together. Alright, so we'll cut this at an angle. And with our hole punch, I'm going to just punch a hole through all the layers in the center. There we go. Take all of this, fold it in half, and go through. See if I can get it all to go through at once. If not, we'll give it a little assist using the back end of a paintbrush. There. So we've got all the ends and the loop on this side, and I'm just going to pull those through the loop. And there we have it. Quick and easy bookmark for the summer.